Hey guys, welcome back, or if you're new, welcome. Today we're gonna be doing a super easy fall makeup look that you guys asked for on Instagram. It was quick, it was easy. I literally did it in like less than 15 minutes. I think everyone can do it. It's really easy. Yeah, today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my face because you guys have seen me do it a lot of times. So I'm just gonna like jump right into the eyes and get started with the eyes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's get started into the tutorial. Okay, so I already have my whole face finished. I did my foundation, my eyebrows, everything, and now we're gonna get started with the eyes. The palette that I'm gonna be using, it's the whatever palette from Colourpop. And it's so freaking pretty. Like, I am obsessed with it, like seriously. So this is what I'm gonna be using today, and I'm gonna be doing one of you guys asked me on Instagram to do an easy fall look, so that's what I'm gonna be doing today, like a super easy fall look for you guys to be able to do that doesn't take much work. So yeah, let me get started with the eyes, and I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit more so you can see better. Okay, so the first color that I'm going to be using is this one right here. It's called Copycat, and I'm just gonna add that in my crease, and it's gonna be like my transition shade. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the smaller blending brush, and I'm going to be using a little bit of this color. It's called Bad Guy. Okay, so I'm gonna take the same color that I just used, which is Bad Guy, and I add it in my whole crease. Not the crease, the eyelid. I'm gonna go back with the same smaller blending brush, and I'm gonna blend that out. Three. Trying to like blend everything together so there's no harsh lines. Alright, so now I'm gonna take this shade right here. It's called TTYN, which I have no idea what it means, and I'm gonna add it on the lid again, on top of what we had already done. back with the smaller blending brush and blend that out a little bit. So now I'm gonna take a little tiny brush and I'm gonna use the color Miss Bright Side, which is the darkest one in the palette, and I'm just gonna add it to my lash line. And that just made the whole look a little bit smokier. And like always, I'm gonna add a little bit of concealer, just the one that's left over on the brush that I use for my eyebrows. And I'm using like a little small blending brush. That way, at the same time that I'm applying the color, I'm blending it out. Now I'm gonna take the same little tiny brush and add a little bit of the darker color to my bottom lash line. Okay, so now it's time to do mascara and do my lashes. Put my lashes on. And the lashes that I'm going to be using today, as always, well, I do use them a lot, are the Makeup Shack and Ivy. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna take a little bit of this glitter right here. It's called Duh, and I'm gonna put it in the inner corner, and I'm just gonna do it with my finger, just a little tiny bit. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of brow gel. And I'm gonna do my lips. And I'm gonna use my same lip liner as always, the Jordana one, Rock and Rose. I always struggle doing my bottom lip because it's like not even. Like it's fatter from one side than the other one. I hate it. And I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick, liquid lipstick in Crush. Alright guys, so here is the finished look. I hope you guys like this video. I swear, I promise, it's super easy, super easy. And it was even easier the fact that I only used one palette, like nothing else. I didn't have to grab nothing else, just this one. I'm obsessed with this palette, like seriously, and it's cheap. So yeah, I love it. I think it has become my favorite one. yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the little bell so you can get notified every time I post videos. And thank you so much for watching.